we know that scissors are simple machines. And why are they simple machines? Because they have very less moving parts, and at the same time they're able to help us do our work easily. So they are a simple machine, but they are a particular type of simple machine. And what is that? Well, scissors are lever. Well, why do we call it lever? Because scissor moves along a fixed point, which is this. And what do we call the fixed point in a lever? Well, it's called fulcrum. So you see, scissors are a lever and they move about this fixed point, which is the fulcrum. So what are the components of a scissor? Well, we have effort, which is applied here, and then this is the fixed point, the fulcrum, and here is the load. So whatever we cut at this point. So this is where the load is. So all these three together make it a lever. So let's see another thing which we use very commonly and is also a lever. It's the pliers. Now, even pliers are levers. So let's see where the fulcrum, load and effort are located. So in case of a plier, this is the fixed point, isn't it? So this is the fulcrum about which the plier moves. Now, where is the load located? Well, this is where the load is in pliers. And where is the effort? Well, we apply efforts at this point. This is the effort. So you see, in pliers, this is where the effort is applied, and this is where you have the fulcrum, and here you will have the load. So these are the components of pliers. So you see, both the scissors and pliers had one thing in common. It was that the fulcrum was in the middle, while load and effort were on either sides. And so these particular type of levers who have fulcrum in the middle while load and effort on either sides are called first class lever. So scissors and pliers are first class levers. So you see, even the claw hammer is a first class lever. So what happens in claw hammer? Well, this is where the nail is which you want to pry out. So this is where the load is. That is, the nail is the load. And where do you apply the effort? Well, you are applying the effort here so that the nail may come out. And which is the fixed point in this case? Well, this point here is fixed. So when this will be moved here, nail will come out like this, but this point will remain fixed. And that is why this is the fulcrum. So you see, even in claw hammer, you have fulcrum in the middle, while you have load and effort on either sides. And that is why claw hammer is also a first class lever. What about a seesaw? Well, seesaw is also a first class lever because this is the fulcrum in the middle and we have effort and load on either side. So this is our fulcrum. So you see, again we have fulcrum in the middle, and that is why seesaw is also a first class lever. So you see, in case of first class lever, you have fulcrum in the middle, and what do we have here? We have fulcrum in the middle, and we have load and effort on either side. Similarly, even in case of plier, we have fulcrum in the middle while load and effort on either side. And that is why both of them are first class lever. So in a first class lever, fulcrum is placed between the load and the effort. So any lever in which fulcrum is placed between load and effort is a first class lever. So tell me, where is the fulcrum located in first class lever? Well, what do you think? Well, in the case of first class lever, fulcrum is located in the middle, while load and effort are on either sides. And that's what defines a first class lever. So, fulcrum is in the middle. So you see, scissors, pliers and many such things which have fulcrum in the middle and load and effort on either side are first class levers. And we use first class levers all the time in our daily lives. So whenever you see a lever next time, try to identify whether it is a first class lever or not. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.